In this video, we will be covering how to add residents in batches on Akuvox SmartPlus cloud platform. If you're working with Akuvox or planning to do so, it's crucial that you collaborate with Global Visions Inc. If you are a property manager, we will help ensure that you're working with a genuine, certified installer. If you are an installer or looking to become a certified installer, we will ensure that you are purchasing through an authorized distributor who provides the best technical support to ensure your success. First, with an installer account, log into Akuvox SmartPlus Cloud Platform. Change the role to Project Manager. Please make sure the Community view is selected. In the Community view, select the button, Download the template. Next, open the downloaded Excel template file. Here, enter the information according to a resident's unique situation. Please include building, apartment name, first and last name, email, phone number, and so on. Please note that the apartment name must be 1 to 6 digits. By hovering over certain column headers, you will be able to view specific instructions for inputting information. Back on the SmartPlus Cloud platform, in Community view, select the desired community. Select the import icon to import the template. Once the import is complete, select the info icon of the desired community to check whether users have been added to the corresponding community. If you have any questions about Akuvox, please contact us at globalvisionsinc.com.